Welcome back to Word Unlocked. I am Jake.
And I am Sarah. We are super happy you are here with us today.
Today, we have a very interesting word. Sarah, what are we learning?
Today, our word is stimulation.
That sounds like a big word. What does it mean in simple English?
It means something that makes your brain, your body, or your senses active and awake. It stops you from being bored or sleepy.
So, when do we use it?
We use it when something excites our mind, our senses, or even money and business.
That is very useful. Let us look at our 5 common word chunks.
Let us start with chunk number 1, intellectual stimulation, or mental stimulation.
What does mental stimulation mean?
It means hard or fun tasks and talks that make your brain think. It keeps you from getting bored.
Like she decided to leave her high-paying corporate job because the repetitive daily paperwork provided absolutely zero intellectual stimulation.
Yes, her job was boring, so her brain was sleepy.
What is chunk number 2?
Chunk number 2 is sensory stimulation.
Is that about our 5 senses?
Exactly. It's things you see, hear, taste, smell, or touch, like bright lights or loud sounds.
Here's an example. Modern video games are designed with constant flashing lights and sound effects to provide maximum sensory stimulation.
Yes, the flashing lights wake up your eyes and ears.
Now, what happens if there's too much? That brings us to chunk number 3, right?
Yes, chunk number 3 is overstimulation, or being overstimulated.
Oh, that means getting too much noise, light, or info at one time, so you feel tired and stressed.
Right. For example, after staring at dual monitors, managing 3 different Slack channels, and listening to a noisy open-plan office all day, my brain was completely overstimulated.
Oh, I hate that feeling. My head starts to hurt.
Me too. Let us move to chunk number 4, require constant stimulation.
What does it mean to require constant stimulation?
It describes a person or animal that always needs new, hard things to do, or they get bored and cause trouble.
Like this example. Brilliant junior developers are like working dogs. They require constant stimulation and complex projects, or they will get bored and leave the company.
That is so true. They always need a puzzle to solve.
And what is our 5th and final chunk?
Chunk number 5 is economic stimulation.
This is about money, right?
Yes, it means actions by a government to help a weak economy grow, like giving money to businesses.
Here's a great example. The government announced a massive tech grant program to provide economic stimulation to the local startup sector.
Perfect! Now, Jake, let us share our short stories. You go first.
Last year, I worked in a quiet library room all by myself. At first, it was nice, but soon I felt lazy because there was no mental stimulation. I started learning a new language on my phone just to keep my brain awake and working.
That is a great way to wake up your mind.
What is your story, Sarah?
Last Saturday, I went to a giant shopping mall with loud music, huge video screens, and hundreds of talking people. After just 1 hour, I had total sensory stimulation overload and felt completely overstimulated, so I had to go home and sit in a dark, quiet room.
I understand that completely. Sometimes we just need silence.
Yes, we do. Now, let us do a quick recap of our 5 chunks today.
First, we had intellectual or mental stimulation, which is challenging work for your brain.
Second was sensory stimulation, which touches your 5 senses.
Third was overstimulation, which is having too much input and feeling overwhelmed.
Fourth was require constant stimulation, meaning you always need new activities.
And fifth was economic stimulation, which is help to grow business and money.
Now, listeners, here is your homework sentence prompt.
Tell us, what activity gives you the best mental stimulation when you feel bored?
Write your sentence down and practice saying it out loud.
That is all for today's episode of Word Unlocked.
Thank you so much for listening and learning with us.
Keep practicing your English every day.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.